The most populous island in Indonesia, Java, is home to stunning volcanoes, spice plantations, vivid lakes, undeveloped beaches, and enormous cave networks. When it comes to undiscovered roads and breathtaking scenery, Java surpasses its neighbor Bali, which is extremely popular due to its beaches and nightlife. See 5 of Java's natural wonders, and get ready for some very bizarre sights. Because Indonesia is a part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, a vast region with frequent tectonic activity, volcanic eruptions have largely formed the country. This occasionally increases the risk of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, but it also produces stunning alien landscapes. White Crater, a crater lake 50 kilometers outside of Bandung in West Java, is one feature that only exists as a result of volcanic activity. When visiting, it's best to avoid staying in the area of White Crater for more than an hour. This is because breathing in sulfate gases over time becomes more difficult. Speakers constantly repeat this safety warning to serve as a reminder. Dieng Plateau, Bakal, Central Java, volcanic cones, multicolored mineral lakes, fresh mountain air, and all of this on a high plateau in the center of Java. Due to its elevation of 2,300 meters above sea level, the Dieng Plateau is a great destination to escape the oppressive heat of Java's lowlands. The Telaga Warna Lake, a lovely mineral lake encircled by forests and magnificent mountain tops, is one of the most magnificent vistas. You may take a leisurely stroll around the lake here and take in the distinctive beauty that is on exhibit. Not to be ignored is the Goa Jomblang Cave, which is located 40 kilometers south of Yogyakarta city. The entrance to the cave and the portion that is open to tourists are separated by a sinkhole, which has existed since the cave's roof fell. The pit is enormous, and it appears as though the earth has opened its mouth to swallow everyone who descends. It's also risk-free to descend down a rope and experience the wonder of this lovely grotto from a stunning vantage point. Mount Bromo and its surroundings are without a doubt the most well-known and often visited locations on our list. This national park is well known for its picturesque views and is a part of a series of volcanoes. Take a jeep or a rented motorbike down to the valley. Here it almost looks like the moon's surface. Most visitors come here in the middle of the night because the sunrise holds the key to Bromo's enchantment. King Kong Hill is one of the best places to see the sunrise. It's no surprise that Java's Far East is blessed with mountainous beauty as well. Kawah Ijen is the eye-catcher of all volcanoes in the Banyuwangi region. This volcano is a source of sulfur, and it has a lake that's sourer than battery acid. Go down to the edge of the bright green lake, where you might see blue flames caused by sulfurous gases catching fire. Be careful and make way for the miners, who cut the sulfur out themselves and carry up to 80 kilos in baskets on their shoulders. Only a few hikes on Java are tougher than the trek to Ijen, but the reward is phenomenal. Thank you for watching in my video. Don't forget like and subscribe. See you next video.